we do division. So let's do division. My division here is 3x going into 6x squared. Well, all you do is just simplify that. 6 times x times x, 3 times x. Class, if you do some canceling there, what do you get? You're just going to get 2x. Yeah. Now, I'm going to place the 2x here. The reason why I place the 2x here is you're going to recognize where my pen is. This whole column is going to be 2 x's. Okay? Yeah. Class, what do we do after division?
You multiply.
So now let's multiply. 2x times 3x is, and 2x times a negative 7 is. So I'm just multiplying to each of these terms. Class, what should I do next? Let's subtract. Notice how I placed it. You can also, I put a circle around my subtraction sign, and I put all of this in parentheses to make it very obvious. Class, what's 6 minus 6? You have 0x squared. Class, do we need to write 0x squared? No. Pay attention. Negative 5 minus a negative 14. Remember, the opposite of negative is a positive 14. 14 and negative 5 gives you a positive 9. Remember, you're welcome to use your calculators. Now we're going to do a, bring it down. How many times does 3x go into 9x? Right, you just do that problem right here. So this would be a hint as they become more difficult. That's just 3. And we multiply. What do you get, class?
9x
minus 21. And in subtraction, if they're exactly the same, it equals 0, right? Think about that. 2 minus 2. They're the same exact numbers. Do you see it? They're basically opposites of one another, and that'll equal 0. So same thing over here. Nine minus 9 is 0. Negative 21 minus a negative 21. Negative 21 plus 21 gives you 0. Now my remainder is 0. So my answer for this problem is 2x plus 3. Let me talk about that answer for a second. 3x minus 7 and 2x plus 3. If I multiply those together by FOIL, I'm going to get 6x squared minus 5x minus 20. Let's just say I want to move this expression over. I would divide, yes?
Yeah.
I would divide both sides by 3x minus 7. This side would cancel. If I divided this side by 3x minus 7, I get 2x plus 3. Do you see that? So what kind of question would I ask you? I would say, graph the polynomial. And the first thing you're going to think about is to factor. You'll get this, right? Sure. Eventually, I might give you a hint. I might say 3x minus 7 is a factor. Find the other factors. Well, using long division, I can find that.